hi, I really hope that you enjoyed that video. I worked so hard on it, and if you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Remember, if you don't subscribe, the Demogorgon will find you and eat you. So, you know, it's just a little incentive, you know. I don't make the rules, sorry. I'm filming this like months in ahead, so I don't know when I'm going to be uploading this video, but season 3 is coming out this year and I am so pumped. I am so excited. I really enjoyed season 2. There were some things obviously I didn't like about it, but hopefully season 3 is going to be amazing. I am so excited. Comment down below what your favorite Stranger Things character is, and also if I should do more lookbooks like this, because I have so much fun creating these sets and costumes, and I don't know, it's just really fun. So if you want to see more of these, please let me know. I would love to make more of these. Anyways, I'll see you in the Upside Down. Bye!